You may want to lie a towel on your working surface to prevent scratches. This installation may take over 30 minutes to complete. Using the Allen key, remove one screw from each Crutchgecko. Hold your hand to catch the small nut, which may fall out while you loosen the screw. Once one screw is removed, rotate the clamping parts to one side as shown. One rubber pad in its original position and the other follows with the clamp and ring adapter. Do this for all 4 Crutchgeckos. At this stage, you should have 4 loose nuts. Cut out the measuring tape from the bottom of the instructions. Wrap the tape around your crutches and read off the diameter indicated by the black arrow. Write down the values you measured. For the lower Crutchgecko, please make sure to use the pointy Crutchgecko with the points facing downwards. Please observe that Crutchgeckos must be installed to face outward while you walk. This may seem counterintuitive, but it's for safety reasons. Now repeat these steps to install the upper and lower Crutchgecko on your other crutch. For assembly, if your crutch handles are formed for left and right-handed use, stand your crutches on the floor with right and left crutches reversed. Then lean them against the wall. Rotate the Crutchgeckos until they snap together. If you have not already done so, with the small screwdriver, now is a good time to remove the plastic tabs, which were there to protect the magnets from over-insertion in the factory. If you do not remove the tabs, they will interfere and reduce the Crutchgecko's magnetic holding forces. Be careful not to scratch the magnets. Check that the lower Crutchgecko is respecting the minimum clearance. With your crutches connected, you may notice some wobble. Remove one crutch and check that there is no rotational misalignment between the upper and lower Crutchgecko. You can do this by lining it up by eye, or by lying the geckos face down on a table and rocking your crutch slightly. The Crutchgeckos must line up at 90 degrees to the handle and with as little misalignment as possible. Tighten all 4 screws only on one crutch until it is no longer possible to slide these Crutchgeckos by hand. Tighten the screws evenly and do not over-tighten them. Check the height of the upper Crutchgecko to make sure it feels comfortable when wearing wrist straps. Contact us for support if you have any questions.